Hello students, welcome back to the course Theory of Computation. Let us continue the problems on modulo K counter problem. So the third problem, construct a DFA to accept odd number of A's and odd number of B's. Okay, so step 1, mathematical representation of given problem using 5 tuples, that is M is equal to Q, sigma, delta, Q naught and F, where Q represents non-empty finite set of states. So I need to identify the possible states. What are the given inputs? The given inputs are A and B. What the problem statements? We need to construct DFA machine which will accept odd number of A's and odd number of B's. With the given inputs, I need to write all the permutations of the input symbols. That is all the permutation and combinations with the given inputs. That is nothing but odd number of A's and even number of B's, and odd number of A's and even number of B's, odd number of A's So with the given inputs A and B, I need to write all the possible combinations of states, that is even number of A's and odd number of B's, and even number of A's and even number of B's, and odd number of A's and even number of B's, then odd number of A's and odd number of B's. These are the 4 possible combination of states. So I will identify these as the states and I will represent. So Q naught, which is representing even number of A's and even number of B's. Okay, and next state I will take it as Q1, which is representing even number of A's and odd number of B's. Q2 state, which is having odd number of A's and even number of B's, and the last state, that is Q3, which is representing odd number of A's and odd number of B's. Therefore, my Q becomes Q naught, Q1, Q2 and Q3. Okay. Now, sigma is A comma B. That is the given inputs. Okay. And Q naught, which is my initial state. Okay. So, Q naught is my initial state. Okay. And final state. F is representing a final state. So the machine has to accept odd number of A's and odd number of B's. Which is the state that is representing odd number of A's and odd number of B's? Q3 is the state that is representing odd number of A's and odd number of B's. So Q3 becomes my final state. Then transition function Q into sigma, which gives some state. Now